Yo, what the deal? This your man Frank Dutch right here. I'm back at y'all with another video, man. And today, you know what we doing? You know what we doing? I told y'all I was gonna get them Slate plugins, right? I told y'all that, right? That's what we doing. We about to review this ANA VST that I just found up here, man. I went through a couple of the sounds already. I ain't gonna lie to you, but I said I'm gonna have to stop and I'm gonna have to show y'all as I'm showing me. You feel what I'm saying? So I ain't even gonna say nothing else. I'm gonna just get into going through some of these sounds, man. I might end up making a beat. You know what I'm saying? Who knows, y'all, man? We gonna see. But right now, I just wanna run through some of the sounds with y'all. Y'all are more than welcome to sample some of these joints. You know what I'm saying? Don't tell nobody until you do that. You know what I mean? But here we go. So what we in this we in all right now. I like first of all I like how they got it set up in different categories and all of that. Like they got it categorized by actual sound types. They got it categorized by genre, subcategories. I like it. You know, and then the actual sound on the end over here. So let's go to 808. Everybody like 808s. You heard? Go to all. Let's go to the 808 section and all everything else. Let's see, what's all synth? Yeah, I got a little launch MIDI keyboard over here, USB MIDI keyboard over here, launch key. That's a dope 808 already. Let me see this baby joint. That's different. it's crazy that it's crazy, man, that the 808 drum, bass drum, has generated so much money for so many people, man. Like they got one in here called mumble rap. Nail biter. Damn. Let's get out of the 808s. But before I do, I just want to say, like, it's dope how the 808 bass drum made so much money for people, yo. Like, it turned from obviously the 80s, you know, and what was done with it in the 80s, all the way up until it being like specific VSTs catered to that. Like this has a section, but it's like literally VSTs that have just 808s in it. Like it's a 808 VST. You know what I'm saying? So that's dope, man. That had begun to happen like that. You know what I'm saying? But let me see. What's in drums? Let me see what's in drums. You feel me? What is in these drums? You heard? I heard Slate known for his drums anyway. Oh, hold on. What I do? Oh. Oh. Oh, that is a clap. Okay. All right, got it. That's all it is. It's a clap. Okay. Let me turn my sub on. Oh, that's dope. That's dope. I like that. Hey. 1, 2, 3. As it was plain to see. Hey. Yeah, they got some stuff up here. Let me see what's in the no, it's in the keys. Let's see what's in the keys. And we using this joint in Luna, by the way, if y'all haven't noticed. So, like, that's another thing, man. Already, man. I know I told y'all that I was going to Logic, but nah, Luna, man. Luna is where it's at for me. For me personally, because like it's the closest thing to Pro Tools that I'm used to. You feel what I'm saying? Like it pretty much works the same way. It's just different. You know what I'm saying? It has a different look, different feel. Even this is like Luna really seems to have more of an analog approach. You feel what I'm saying? Like you can do analog concepts, I'll say, on the fly, and actual analog things, but like, stuff that's within the DAW. It's a lot of, I feel, it's conceptual. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, I'm digging Luna all the way for real. So let's see what's in these keys. You can make beats on Luna. Everything that you can do in Logic and Pro Tools, you can do in Luna. What's this? Banger sauce. You can make a whole beat out of this VST alone. Like I'm digging this joint, man. Let me see what's in the leads. What's in the leads? 80s air. What's happening with that? My fingers got triple tied. Mm. Mm. Y'all ain't see me spill coffee on myself. I'm excited. I like leads a lot, man. Especially when I was making beats in like '08, '07, '08. I used to use leads a lot. I used to use leads a lot. Shout out to Johnny Giuliano and all them because really, I'm gonna keep it real. Johnny Giuliano is really he used to be like a fool with doing those leads, playing leads and everything like that. Those lead sounds, he used to kill it. Yeah, I'm digging this joint, man. Let me see what else they got in. What they got in strings. What they got in strings, man. They got a vocal section too. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna go through those though. Y'all gonna have to cop the plug-in. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna have the links down in the description. You know Beyond epic. What's that? That's an art. Okay. Get my Miami Vice on. What's cheap? Orchestra. Yeah. So yeah, man, I'm really digging this plugin right here. I'm gonna definitely be making some beats and using it. Y'all gonna hear this on a lot of stuff that I'm working on. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, it's your man Frank Dutch right here. I hope y'all enjoyed this review right quick. This quick little go through right quick. Y'all be cool. Y'all be cool, man. Preach.